and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. Today we're going to be doing a 10-minute relaxing meditation. And before we get started, I had a little conversation with a friend this week, and I just wanted to touch on the basics of meditation. She said to me that when she meditates, she feels like she's doing everything wrong. Sven is leaving. So I just wanted to touch on the fact that you aren't doing anything wrong. Even if you're just sitting there and relaxing, and even if your mind is wandering, you are still doing great. Do not be hard on yourself. Meditation can be very difficult. It takes a really long time to get comfortable, and even though I've been meditating for years, sometimes I find that my mind wandered the entire time I was meditating. So remember to not be hard on yourself. You are doing it right. You are here, you are meditating. You are already on the right track. So just remember that. All right, we are going to get started with our 10-minute guided relaxing meditation today. So go ahead and find a comfortable position. You can be lying down, sitting in a chair, sitting against a wall, sitting on the floor like I am. Anything that is most comfortable for you works. So we're going to go ahead and find that comfortable position. Place your hands somewhere on your body. It helps you be a little bit more in the moment. And when it feels comfortable to do so, we'll close our eyes. To begin this meditation, go ahead and start deepening your breath by breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Allow your stomach to relax. Don't worry about sucking in, anything like that. And breathe right in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. I want you to focus on bringing your breath back to your normal breathing pattern. Don't try and control it in any way. And start to focus on your seat. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel a little bit heavier through your seat. Feel your hands on your body. Feel your head right over your shoulders. Start to relax all those little micro movements around the eyes and in between the brows. And unstick your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Like I said, we're just going to be breathing through our natural breath pattern. We're not going to be controlling anything. And you can always bring yourself back to that mantra, I am breathing in and I am breathing out. Now for this relaxing meditation, we're going to visualize a stream. And instead of pushing against the current, we're really going to focus on going with the current. You can be floating on your back or in a boat. And all around you, you see ducks just floating by. And knowing that those ducks are just in the present moment. They're not thinking about what they're going to do tomorrow, or that someone said something to them that upset them. They are just focused on the here and now. So as we float through this current, we're not battling it at all. We're just letting it lead us. So often through life, we try and push through the current and make the current work against us. But today, for this relaxing meditation, we're going to be moving with the current and know that it's moving us to our correct destination. And as we float through this current, whether you're in your boat or floating on your back, or maybe you're on a fun unicorn floaty, whatever floats your boat, we're gonna start to feel the sun on our face. Of course, we've got our SPF on, we are protected. And we're gonna feel the cool water beneath us and feel the difference in temperature. And as we're floating along this river, once again, we're not fighting the current. We're just thinking about how grateful we are that this current is taking us to our correct destination, and we don't have to do anything at all. You can hear the birds chirping. You can hear the waves of the river, the babbling of the water. And you're just happy to be in the here and now. You have nothing else to do. Now, if your mind has started to wander, we're going to bring ourselves back into our boat, our floaty, or on our back. We're going to feel that sun on our face and the water beneath us. Once again, we are not fighting that current, we're just letting it carry us along. We have nothing else to do in this moment but relax. And I know, being told to relax can make it a little stressful sometimes. Right now you could be thinking about your to-do list, or what you're gonna have for dinner, or what that noise is you just heard. Whatever it may be. We're just gonna bring our minds back to this river. Floating down. Now, as we've made it about halfway to our destination, we're gonna start looking around. We're gonna notice those ducks that have been floating along with us this entire time. And they are still in that present moment, just floating through the current, not fighting it. We're just headed down to our destination with us. You can see the trees swinging in the breeze. Once again, we're going to hear those birds chirping all around us. Now, as we start to get closer to our destination, I want you to once again deepen that breath, breathing in through the nose, taking a long exhale out through the mouth. Again, we'll breathe in through the nose. And a long exhale out through the mouth. We're going to start to think about our favorite thing that's happened to us along this journey. Was it feeling the sun? Was it taking a few minutes to yourself? Was it the cute little ducks floating right along with us? We're going to focus on how we felt in that moment. Did you have just a moment of relaxation? Did you still feel just a little stressed? Whatever it was okay. As we're floating along here, we can feel that the current isn't as strong. It's starting to slow down. We are almost to our destination. Now, if this entire time you have not been able to visualize our stream, the sun, our ducks, that's okay. Not everyone's a visual person. I'm proud of you for taking just a few minutes for yourself. Now, as we reach the end here, I want to reiterate, we moved with the current, even if it was just for 10 minutes. Let's all focus on bringing that lack of resistance into our day-to-day life. Where is it that you could try to not fight the current? Is there a situation where you could just go with the flow? Be like those ducks and just continue to flow with the current. If it feels right to do so, you can bring your hands to your chest. Just give yourself a little thank you for spending 10 minutes just for yourself today. Thank you so much for joining me with this 10-minute guided relaxing meditation. I hope we brought just a little bit more relaxation into your day-to-day lives. If you're interested in seeing more meditations, please subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.